It's okay that you are unhappy and miserable. It's okay that you are unhappy and miserable. It's just because you are not even able to open the mind within the infinity within you. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kishan, and today I'm here to present my spontaneous speech. And the topic of my spontaneous speech is the game golf. So in India and almost all the countries, every country is known by some set of games. So golf is also played majorly in Scotland, because people of Scotland, they love to play, and this game was originated in 16th century. People used to play, people now also play. But in India, if I talk about this game, so this game has no craze in India. Why? Because the equipments and the versatility which is shown in this game is not in India. This game is played in Russia, Scotland, Indonesia. Why they play? This game requires a narrow stick, which is quite lengthy, of almost 3 feet of height, and it is quite narrow also. It requires a ball. So what our aim is that we have to just hit the ball in such a way that there is a hole, and we have to just make this ball get into the hole. So this is the game which we used to play. So it requires a huge ground, first of all, which has a large amount of grass, so that it can roll and get into that goal. So I have seen a lot of people playing this game, especially royal people in India, and especially the middle class people. They don't favor this game because they are not acquainted with such kind of a game, and then they even don't find the real fun in such kind of games. But the royal people who are highly accomplished in their life, who are successful, who are philanthropic, they prefer this game by playing. So they play this game. Especially, I recently I saw a web series that is Scam 1992. So it requires diligence. You have to be quite fragile when we play cricket, when we play football, when we play other kind of a game. So it's very important to be aggressive, because until and unless you won't be aggressive, you won't make the goal or you won't hit the ball. But in this, it all depends upon your mindset. If you are calm from your mind, if you are healthy, if you are smart enough, then only you're able to make this ball in the hole or whatever your aim is. So for that, there are some kind of barriers, or there are some kind of sets of rules and regulation in which there are some yards. So you have to hit the ball in such a way that that ball only reaches the sufficient yard, and it should not cross the limits. Because if it crosses the limit, then you will be automatically disqualified. So for that, you have to be quite fragile and delicate. If you are good at cricket, you are able to easily play. But for the person who plays hockey, especially, they can understand this game. But for a person who plays football or cricket, for them this game is quite difficult. So golf is a game which is played in royal countries, and especially by the royal people. So they play this game. Especially, it requires a smooth area, and it requires a huge place where you can play. If you think that you'll play this game at a small area, so it would be very difficult. So for that, it requires some sets and rules of regulations. So especially in Scotland, Indonesia, the people love to play such kind of a game, and it's important also, because we should also adopt such kind of a games which really requires some kind of dedication and the calmness of our mind. It's good that we are good at cricket, we are good at football, we're good at other kind of aggressive games, but we have to be good in such kind of a games which really helps us to overcome our mind stability, which also makes our mind calm, peace, and also promote tranquility. So at last, I want to conclude my speech by saying that do play this game, because these games require pure dedication, hard work, and the calmness of your mind. Until and unless you don't have calmness of your mind, you won't able to shoot the ball, and you not get the right choice. So at last, I want to say and conclude my speech that if you want to have something which you never had, so you have to do something which you never did. So you have not played this game, you play this game, because this game will really make you energetic and promote happiness in your life. Thank you.